With initial user settings done, it is now time to further experience the behavior of the Taleo Adapt in different walking situations. This includes walking with different speeds, walking in a figure of 8 to become accustomed to maneuvering in tight spaces, and walking backwards. Further optimize the resistance settings if needed. Now it is time to practice walking on different terrain. Begin by letting the user step onto an obstacle with only the forefoot and heel in contact. The hydraulic motion in dorsal and plantar flexion make it considerably easier to move over the obstacle in comparison to conventional prosthetic feet. Finally, let the user experience the benefits of walking on uneven terrain. As shown here, Terra Sensa plates can be used to increase the difficulty.